In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete one picture from your Instagram post where you've posted multiple pictures. So first, you'll need to go to that post. To do that, open up your Instagram, just go to your profile and tap on the latest post. So after you're here, as you can see right here, I've posted 3 different photos. So now let's say I want to delete the third one. So to do that, what you'll need to do is tap on these 3 dots on the side of your post. So after you've done that, you'll need to tap on edit. So as you can see, I'm on the edit section. So now, since I want to delete this picture right here you can see on the bottom left of the picture, you will see the trash icon. Just tap on it and you'll get the option to delete this photo. Tap on delete, and as you can see now, I only have 2 photos. Now all I need to do is tap on done. Now if you don't want to delete that photo, you can tap on cancel too. So now what you'll need to do is tap on done. So after doing that, your post will get deleted and it will only have 2 pictures now. So it's really that simple, guys. If you want to delete multiple photos, you can do the same for the different photos too. And with that, our video comes to an end, and that is all. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.